First of all, I know that my face looks like really oily, but I can't really help it right now. So before we start this video, I would like to tell everybody that this video is for anybody starting a YouTube channel, wants to grow their channel fast, and in 2021 it is becoming a tough job to become a YouTuber because there are a lot of competitors. It is hard for a person to grow easily until you don't have content, and obviously the first time you start YouTube you don't have content, you don't have the you have all the motivation but you don't have the way of doing stuff. So I always tell my subscribers or followers on Instagram that if you need help on YouTube, you can DM me and I'll help you out. So what I do is I use this one pointer thing I have created for you all, which kind of gives a brief explanation on what all you need to create a YouTube channel. Because I remember when I first started YouTube, I was I was so bad at it. I can't even tell you how bad I was. It just sucked. Like, it was not good enough. And I just had this very bad edited and weird thumbnail videos that I used to post, which I later, when started posting, realized that it is not supposed to go like that. It is supposed to go like that and it's supposed to go like that. But because of having a high amount of Instagram followers, I already got a very nice boost on my YouTube. So that was good for me. That was really positive, and it was really nice of you guys to do that. For now, we're gonna start with YouTube video ideas, and then we're gonna go into YouTube tips, which you guys need to start a channel. So please watch the video till the end to get great YouTube tips and how you can grow your channel easy and fast, because I know people who have done that and I know the ways they've done it with. So let's start. First video is a high school advice. This video has been blowing up a lot. I have heard so many people have done it. I think Nicole has done it, Nicole Lano, if that's how you say her name, but she's done it, and it is a very great video because for people entering high school it is really helpful. It is just very much engaging. People ask you questions, you answer them, so your comment section engages itself, and that is really helpful for a YouTuber to grow. So you can always put a high school advice, but don't put a high school advice if you're like in 80s. So if you're in secondary, you can post a high school advice or a secondary advice for Indians, for anybody. I would really suggest do Indians. Like, if you're a YouTuber who's in India, I would really suggest, if you've passed secondary or you're doing it, I would really suggest that you make this video because it's really helpful. Second one is birthday vlogs. Birthday vlogs blow up. My birthday vlog blew up. Like, I never got like 10k views in a video, and I got 10k views on that video, and I was like, whoa, it really blows up. And even if you are planning to start a YouTube career and you're just confused and your birthday is coming up, just shoot everything around you and make a vlog out of it, so that in future you can post my birthday vlog and in bracket belated happy birthday to me, something like that, or how my birthday went, and you can put a hashtag of birthday vlog and stuff, so that you can do. Third is a Q&A video. Q&A videos are so helpful. I would really suggest that you do a Q&A video as your first video. That's what I did because I learned it from my sister. She is really good in this stuff, so she taught me some stuff about this. So she told me to do a Q&A video as my first video because it is very helpful for the person who wants to subscribe to your channel or is seeing that video to know you better. And I did a Q&A part 2 as well, so if you want you can check that out. I'll link both of them below. I'll try to link all the videos I have done in my list below so that you can get a reference and it will be easier for you to do it. Okay, this video specifically I chose from my own video list. Like, I did not plan on making this video at all, and I just got up and I was like, stop, I'm overthinking, I need to stop. And I was like, make a video out of it, help people stop overthinking. And it's not a very great video to be honest, but it really is, it did get a good reach because, well, people do overthink a lot. So it's called How I Overcome Overthinking. This video and any other video which helps people who are in depression or who have anxiety, and because it is helpful for everybody. And PS, no hate to anybody who overthinks, has depression or anxiety. This is just a video idea so that it is helpful for everybody out there. getting my life together. This video, don't post it as your first, second or third or fourth video, because people need to know you before you post this video. You need to have at least a 3 to 4 month YouTube career before you post this video. It is a very nice video because I love personally watching such videos because I feel they are very motivating, they are very interesting, and they're very different from normal videos. Oh my god, I need water. Anyways, I feel they're very different from normal videos and they are, motivating. At least while after watching this video, I started doing stuff which I had to do. So a lot of people tell me also to make such videos, but I prefer a little easier approach on that because I have never made such a video, but I have made a reset button to my life. So that's a plus video idea if you want to be that girl. This video has been blowing up and it is so interesting. It is so much fun. It is just like, I want to make that video. I'm not getting a chance to because of my boards. I probably will make it after my board. I think the trend will end by then. Whatever. So like, if you are a YouTuber and you want to do something, you can make this video. It is very interesting, and make it aesthetic or make it interesting. Just make it interesting. Don't just blabber every 2 seconds. Make sure you don't do that because people get bored. Okay, I'll give YouTube tips later. How to manifest and do gratitude as a team. This video I will be making very soon because I have got, and my mom too has got, DMs on how to do gratitude, whether you can do gratitude for specific stuff, for family, for friends. This video is very helpful for a lot of people who don't know what gratitude is, and if you don't know what gratitude is, you can search on it, you can start doing it and then make a video. Don't just make a video out of stuff you read off the internet because that would be totally useless. Yeah, okay, this video, bake with me. Honestly, I made a bake with me. It did not go that well because it wasn't very much fun to watch. So while you're making a bake with me, make sure it is fun to watch. It is so interesting and like people really want to see what you're doing and how you make a mess, how you make a joke out of yourself. I remember this girl's video I saw. I don't remember her name. If I do, I'll like put a video of her here. That girl, she like made a really good like 4 a.m. making a pizza or something like that, and it was so engaging. It was so fun. Yeah, it was just awesome. 10 things to do as an introvert or if you don't meet people. This video I will be making very soon. It was on my list and I thought, why not help others? Give it up. So I was really scared to give this out because I wanted this to myself, but then I thought that was too selfish, so I just gave it to you guys. So I know I'm a very nice person. No, okay, genuinely, I would really suggest you guys do this video because a lot of people are introverts and are not very open towards a camera or like are camera shy, don't like engaging with people, don't like socializing, and they do get bored at times. Like your own company will enjoy for like, you'll enjoy it for like what, 5 hours max, up to 5 hours. After that you will get bored, right? So it's really helpful and I'm gonna make this video very soon. I have a lot of videos from this I have to make, so ignore that. I've just put in a few of my list because I don't want to be the same as others. Pulling an all-nighter. My pulling an all-nighter was so good. People have been wanting me to do it again. I made 2 all-nighter videos, pulling an all-nighter and pulling an all-nighter to study. Pulling an all-nighter to study, I have been requested again, which I will be making a part 2 about. Decluttering my closet or closet clean out videos. Blowing up, guys, blowing up. These videos have been so interesting. They have been like, people just like watching those satisfying removing and putting and stuff. It's just very satisfying. I don't watch them a lot, but they are kind of satisfying. So there is one more add-on which I would like to say is a haul. I don't watch hauls, so I didn't want to include it as a video idea, but people like watching hauls. They like watching what you got from Shein or Amazon or Nykaa or anything else. Like whatever you got, people will love to watch it, but don't just utha ke aise you just show it ki, oh my god, I got this, I got this, I got this. Don't do that. People will hate it. Wear it. You need to show what you're wearing, put a modeling stuff into it. Just make it interesting. Last video idea I got is vlogs. Guys, vlogs blow up. They literally blow up and they are so interesting. I love watching vlogs. Like I watch so many vlogs in one day. It's like too much. I can't even tell you how many vlogs I watch in a day. I didn't want to put it as a video idea. I just put it in as vlogs, so you can make day in my life, week in my life, out with my friends, a beach day with my best friend, or my family, or my boyfriend, anybody. Just a random week in my life, a beach day, going somewhere. If you're going for a trip, you can make a vlog out of that, and there's a lot of stuff. so you can always make vlogs. Vlogs are very interesting. And I think that's it for the video ideas. Now let's get into YouTube tips. Let me have water and get back because I'm generally very thirsty. Hey guys, I'm back. So let's start with the YouTube tips. First of all, if you want to know basic tips like how to start a channel, I might not make a video on that because it will be really short, and I don't want to, make a short video, but I really need to help you guys with it. So I made a whole paragraph type of like note, and I'll put that in the description below so you guys can check it out. There are people who make videos on it, so you can watch the videos if you like, or you can go down in my description and it is there. Yeah, let's start with the YouTube tips. First is engage. Engage does not just mean, telling people to comment or sharing your post or video as much as you can. Engage also means answering to your comments. Within the first hour or half an hour, it is crucial answer comments, because YouTube sees, not like sees, but it notices that the person is answering, the person is engaging. Post 2 times a week, very important. Post 2 times a week. Don't just post once a week and think, yeah, I'll become a YouTuber. You can if your videos are really good and you are like a professional editor and good at it, but I would really suggest that you start posting 2 times a week if you want to grow fast. And in the start, I did not get any problem because I already had followers on Instagram. I had around 2 to 3k followers on Instagram when I started YouTube, and it's been a year, and I think I'm on I had like 1k on Instagram. I don't remember. So I had a huge amount of followers on Instagram, so I got a lot of engagement on my YouTube, which was really helpful for me. If you want, you can try and increase your Instagram and then do YouTube, but that's totally your choice. You can start YouTube first and do Instagram. People who have there are people who have like a lot of followers on YouTube and less number of followers on Instagram. So that's that. Make it interesting or aesthetic. These are the only 2 categories that are there on YouTube, interesting or aesthetic, that I know of. I would say either your video has to be so interesting that people don't want to click to the next video. It has to be so much fun. It has to be, you're like making fun out of yourself, or you're roasting somebody, or doing stuff like that. So just either make it interesting or make it aesthetic. Aesthetic videos are much appreciated too in India because a lot of people don't do aesthetic videos. You can make aesthetic videos too. Make sure you edit well, as it does help too. Editing is important, very important. तुम ऐसे नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते कि तुम बस वीडियो क्रॉप करो, थोड़े जूम इन्स डालो और वीडियो बहुत अच्छा ब्लो अप हो जाएगा. Video blows up with sound effects, with with proper zoom ins, with texts at the side, with you explaining a lot of stuff. Pop in the middle and say, oh okay, hi, I'm editing and this happened, this was the backstory. Make it interesting, make it like people don't want to click off. Make it like that, because that's the only way people are gonna not want to leave your video. Find YouTubers that inspire you. This tip nobody ever told me. Honestly, I learned this on my own, and I have never heard a YouTuber say this in their, I have heard them, but there's this one small thing that is also important. It is, if you see a YouTuber making something, try to learn how they edited certain stuff, because I saw this YouTuber once who used to put GIFs in the side of their text, like essay text, and then there's GIF all around. So that made it look so interesting. And what I did my next video was with GIFs, and it was like pop-ins and pura lot of stuff. And I started watching YouTube itna ki I picked up so much in such a less time. And today, if I had that Final Cut Pro, I swear to God, I might do the best editing ever. Try to create content, but don't do this in the start. I would suggest do it when you've posted 7-8 videos, and that time you can start making new content. You can start finding stuff you want to post. Be yourself, don't fake it. I have seen people doing morning routine where they get up with long eyelashes stuck to their eyes. Bro, how did you get up with long eyelashes stuck to your eyes? Please explain. Did you sleep with those eyelashes stuck to your eyes? No, right? Then why did you freaking show it? That is so annoying. That is I was seeing this video, I found it so satisfying until I noticed that, and it was such a bad mood for me, because I hated it. I just hate it when people are, you know, showing something but they're faking it, or you know, they're lying about it, because that is not right. If you're not genuine to your followers or to your subscribers, then what's the whole point? Yes guys, I think this is it for this video. If you do like my channel, please like, subscribe and comment. If you've seen the video so far, comment down and I'm a real one, because you are a real one. And I love you guys so much. I literally made this video at 12 in the night. Yeah, I love you guys, and thank you for always supporting me and being there for me. It has been a long journey here, and I'm so happy to have completed a year on YouTube with 2K subscribers. Bye bye.